Today we have a quick unboxing and review of the Neewer 2-pack of photography and video lights. So I'm going to open the box here and see what we got inside. Alright, so looks like it's very neatly packed. We have each of the LED video and photography lights. They're actually USB powered, so I'm curious to see how that works. I understand you can plug them into a portable battery pack or a USB wall plug. So you have the two lights in the box, and then underneath here you have the small tripod stands that it comes with. Looks like it's a standard 1/4 inch 20 on the top here with the adjustable tilt brackets and instructions. Okay, so there you have it, plain and simple. The contents of the box, the two LED video lights, as well as the stand hardware and instructions. Alright, so I have the whole kit unpacked and assembled here. The tripod stands that the LED lights come with are on the lightweight side, but they are pretty cool that they telescope here, and if you kind of twist it, they lock into place. And I also will add, if you see here, there's a sliding lens filter here, and in the box underneath the instructions were a pack of 2 or 3 lens filters that can be inserted here to gain different colors. Okay, I'm just going to put this down here, and so I'm going to just do a test now. I'm going to plug in my trusty Anker USB battery pack here, which happens to have 2 USBs, and we're going to see what these lights can do. Here we go. Okay, the USB battery pack is plugged in. I'm going to just power it up here, and it looks like the controls light up here on both of the LED lights. Looks pretty simple. Power on. Oh wow, there we go. Okay, it's very bright. Let me see if I can bring it down here. There's an up and down button, which seems to work very smoothly in increasing and decreasing the light. Okay, let me turn on the other one. Alright, so you know what? They throw a pretty decent amount of light here. Let me turn it down, and yeah, you know what? Pretty good. And it has the white filter on here to begin with. I'm going to just pause it for a minute here to put on some of the filters that came with it. Alright, so here we have the blue and the red filters installed, and there's also a yellow or amber that was in the box, one for each of the lights, and they look pretty good. Again, these were about 20 bucks or so on Amazon, bit of an impulse buy for me. But for someone that's doing a little YouTubing, or maybe needs a little bit of extra light for some video conferencing or something like that, it might come in handy. So I figured it's definitely worth a shot. And they look pretty good. So I look forward to trying them out a little bit more and seeing what the battery life might be on the Anker battery pack, and maybe plugging them into a standard USB plug. There you have it. The Neewer portable 2-pack of LED video and photography lights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my video reviews. Have a great day.